Okay, now?
Hey, what's up, people? It's me. I'm here with a wind-up loop deck. Here it is.
3 wind-up rats.
Can you flip that around, please?
Oh, I like that. Okay. 3 wind-up sharks. 2 wind-up hunters. In my deck, I use 2, but you could use 3. 2 wind-up magicians. You could use 3, I guess, but I recommend 2. 1 wind-up rabbit. 2 tour guides. 1 spirit reaper. 1 summoner monk, which I'm going to take out for sideboard and the rest wind up cat and kitten thing. 1 cyber dragon. 1 Gorse, 1 Sangan, and 1 Baylor.
So the monster lineup's decent. It's pretty much basic.
Yeah, you've got your loot stuff right here, and then your other lineup cards, and then staples. Okay. Spells. 1 Forbidden Lance. 1 Instant Fusion. 2 factories, but I'd recommend either 2 to 1. 1 heavy. 1 book. 1 dark hole. 1 reborn and 3 MSTs. I use 3 because just individual target.
Next on for the traps.
2 Fiendish Chains. 2 Solemn Warnings. 1 Trap Sun. 1 Mirror Force. 1 Torrential. 1 Judgment. 1 Call of the Haunted. And 1 Dark Vibe. The Dark Vibe is my preference, and the same with the Call of the Haunted. Because last game in the tournament I was playing in, Dark Vibe won me that. Because they were going to lance my Leviathan, I think it was. And then I just Dark Vibe did, and then I won the game.
That's nice.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you my sideboard. 1 wind-up kitten.
1 kitty.
2 cyber dragons. 1 night beam. 2 extra gates in case you're going against the deck of heroes or chaos or splits. And another Call of the Haunted. I don't want to sideboard much, is why my sideboard's not very good.
Just there, check in case.
Yeah, in case I need to compose something, like use my mini compulse. Okay, extra deck. For the instant fusion, Charboon, the Fire Knight dude. Then
Can you flip them around?
Alright. Then 3 Zen Mighties. 2 Leviathans. 1 Acid Golem. 1 Brilliant. 1 Roach. I personally use Roach just to stop them from playing like 5 minutes or something.
Right.
2 Utopias. These are only temporary. Kachitochi Dragon. 1 Adrius. 1 Tyrus. And 1 Strike Bouncer.
Okay. So tell me what you think of the deck, YouTube. Thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Bye, YouTube. Peace.